Hey guys, it's Sierra here with JB's Power Center. Today I've got this RV behind me that we've had our installers working on for the last day or so, and we were performing some serious electronics upgrades to this thing. Let's go inside and have a look at what they did. Starting with the interior of the RV, we replaced the head unit that he had with one that is an RV specific navigation model. The mapping in the head unit does have things in it like the sanitary dump stations as well as the campgrounds built into the head unit so you can find where you're going. It also does have a routing option for really tall vehicles just so that you don't run into any hiccups and end up rerouting yourself. This RV was brought to us with one backup camera at the back of the actual motorhome. This driver actually does tow a trailer behind his motorhome quite often, and that one camera just wasn't enough for him. So we installed a total of 3 extra cameras to his whole setup here. One of them was a dash camera facing out the windshield. We installed one camera inside the trailer and one camera on the back of the trailer, just so it makes it really easy for him to back up. With installing the new head unit, we also did install the aftermarket Sirius XM Module, just so that he does still get to listen to his satellite radio on the road. Our customer also wanted to be able to mount his tablet on the dash without obstructing his view while driving. The mount that we had in the store didn't quite do it for him, so we had our installers build a little bit of an extension just so it rises it up the dash a little bit and makes it a little bit easier for the driver to see. We are confident that this customer is going to be really happy and he's going to be able to back up his RV and trailer with ease. If you're interested in getting a camera or cameras installed in your car, truck, or your RV, give us a shout at JB's Power Center or feel free to check out our website at jbspowercenter.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope you really enjoyed our video. If you want to view more of our JB's content, click over here. And if you haven't already, be sure to click over here to subscribe to our JB's channel to be notified of our future content.